Kotlin DSL, domain-specific language, is a feature of the Kotlin programming language that allows developers to create concise and expressive syntax for specific domains or tasks. It facilitates the creation of readable and declarative configurations, often used in settings such as library or framework setups. Kotlin's support for extension functions, lambda expressions, and named parameters makes it well suited for designing DSLs that enhance code clarity and maintainability. In the example, we will convert our standard integration test to one using DSL, thanks to which we will significantly reduce repetitive code for subsequent tests. We will need a client to make requests and a mapper to parse the responses. The purpose of the test is to send a request to our application and verify the response, so in the When section we define what the request looks like, and in the Then section we verify the response. For each section, we will need a class that will hold the defined components. Let's start with the given section. In the When section, we must define our request and implement its execution. Now let's implement a class for the Then section that will have verification methods. Finally, we need to implement our main DSL functions with the help of Kotlin language functionalities. As an argument, we take a function that returns nothing and can be called on an instance of the GivenContext class. The infix keyword allows you to call functions without using the classic dot notation and brackets. Additionally, whenever and then are extension functions that extend GivenContext and WhenContext, respectively. Finally, all we have to do is use our functions.